baby, I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. Get started with a hand.
Hey guys, it's Akai Nicole, and I'm here to show you guys how I did my creepy clown unzipped face tutorial. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. Okay, so even though October is over and we're now in November, turkey season, Thanksgiving, yes, it's coming up. I decided, well, at least I can still post it, so if someone sees this, maybe they will get inspired for next year. So that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, the first thing I did with this tutorial is I put the zipper on my face just to see where I would place it and how it would lay. So then when I figured that out, I started to glue it down to my face. So the glue I used to put the zipper on my face is Spirit Gum. So I got this zipper from Party City. It was like a kit. It came with the zipper, the Spirit Gum, makeup remover, and scabbed blood. It also came with 2 sponges to blend in your makeup and another separate thing of makeup of black and white I get for bruises, but I didn't use that. So after I secure my zipper, then I'll move on to doing my natural face makeup.
Backing it up. I'm the queen of talking shit, then I'm backing it up.
Okay guys, so after I'm done embarrassing myself on YouTube, thank you very much, I'm going to take a Dabin Beauty, oh my gosh, what is wrong? Beauty blender. Yes, I'm going to take a Dabin Beauty blender and I'm going to take my 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer in the shade 11 Amber by Milani. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to blend that into my skin. Make sure it's covering everything so we have a nice base for when we do the rest of our makeup. After we have blended our foundation real even, real nice, we're going to take our lovely concealer. The concealer I used is my HD concealer by Nika K. Okay, so I'm going to put that on my under eye. I'm going to blend that out real nice, real flawless, and then we're going to set that bad boy and then move on to the next step of our makeup. So now we're almost done with the normal side of our face. So I'm going to be taking the Nika K non-neutral palette and I'm going to be dipping into a black shade and I'm going to be smoking that into my crease with a crease brush. So after I put that black shade in my crease, I take a lavender purple, I think that's what you call it, and I blend that into my crease as well, just a little bit on the lid but not too much because we don't want that to be our lid color, but we just needed to show because we want to cut our crease. So after I cut my crease with my same HD concealer, I'm gonna set that concealer with a champagne colored eyeshadow. After that, I smoke out the bottom of my eyelid, highlight my face, highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, and then we're done with the normal side of our face. Alright, so we're almost done with the tutorial. So now it's the fun part, the part where you can be as creative as you want to be, you can make it as pretty as you want, but I chose to make it ugly because what creepy clown is pretty? I don't know one. So my clown part looked a mess. Like, it wasn't that bad, but it was a mess. So the first thing I did was take this face paint that came with a kit that I got from Party City. It was a clown face paint kit. So I took the white, and I couldn't find the brush that I was going to use to put on my face, so I just ended up using my fingers, and that works too as long as you don't mind getting it on your fingers. I mean, it comes off pretty easily, so that shouldn't be a problem. So after I put that on my face, I took the sponge that came with the kit, and I just made sure I didn't have any gaps or you couldn't see my skin through the white, and made sure it was evenly blended. Yeah, that was evenly blended. And then I moved on to the basic features of the clown. So I wanted to do a triangle, like the traditional triangle eye for the clown in black, but I didn't realize that it was cream. Like, I forgot it was cream, so instead of the black going on black, it was just wiping off the white paint and looking gray. So I was like, oh my gosh, this is a failure. Like, this is about to look not what I wanted it to look. So I just had to calm down, and it ended up working out at the end. So after I put the black on my eye, well, the gray on my eye, I moved to my lips. I put the red makeup on my lips, and then I connected the smile up to my eye. Okay, we're getting closer and closer to the end of the tutorial. So, the step that I did before the last step is I took a black eyeshadow and a purple eyeshadow and just put that all around the zipper. Basically, what this does is makes it look like my face is bruised from the zipper being open before I put the blood on, so it's a nice base. So it looks more realistic, and instead of looking like I just put blood on my face. Dun 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 dun! We are at the end of this tutorial. Finally. So the very last step that I took to put the finishing touches on this killer clown look was I took the blood and the applicator. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I took that and I put the blood all around the zipper. I put it inside the zipper, I put it outside the zipper, I put it on my nose, and I put it on my mouth. So then after that, I took the sponge and I just put it all around the zipper. More is more, less is nothing. Okay, so go crazy for this part. After that, I was done with my look. I was happy. It came out exactly how I wanted it to. After that, I just took my scarf off because I already did my hair, and I went to school. Everyone was giving me compliments. I felt so proud. So this concludes my tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will be posting new content.